I made a burrito. Hello everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing the Zoom H4N audio recorder. So right as you open the box, you can see a little information sheet that probably has information that you don't need to see. And I got this from B&H, so they shipped it with an audio repair plug-in pack CD. So you got de-hum, de-noise, de-click, just to clean your audio, which is very nice. This is apparently an expensive program that's free with the audio recorder. So next in the box is a bunch of bubble wrap, but then you actually get the audio recorder itself. Now the Zoom H4N, I have the SP version, which is not much difference, I heard. We'll figure that out. We have the Zoom H4N itself, and it looks like 2 batteries, which I probably not, and it looks like 2 batteries, which I probably will not use. I'm not sure about anything else in those. Over there. We have the 2 batteries, another cardboard piece, and it looks like a manual. So, inside, it's a nice case actually. This is a pretty nice case. I might actually use this. Feels very sturdy, a little top heavy because of the mics. It says Zoom on the case, which is also very nice. That's great. So, to open it up, once you get to the batteries, pull that to the side, and this, you just lay it down. That's to pull out the batteries once you're finished with it. I'm gonna open these up just for now to test it out. Turn it on, see what it looks like when you turn it first on. Okay, so we have version 1.72. Got that in very bright screen, especially for that. Oh wow. All right. So it's on. Everything's good. That is the Zoom H4N. Sometimes when you record outside and it's very windy, you'll get that horrible noise in your mics when you're recording. That's why I have this big furry thing on Tackstar. So to get rid of that, I picked up this very cheap, inexpensive wind muff, similar to this one, just that fits the Zoom. I got the Movo WS2 Dead Kitten windscreen. This thing had good reviews, should get the job done. Should be just fine actually. Make sure they don't get the staple in there, that would not be good. And there it is. Okay. So that's the front and that's where it fits. It's kind of elastic, which is nice. This fits over the mic itself. Alright, so once it's on, it looks somewhat like a troll. It's kind of funny looking, but it should do the trick. So, you can still have access to most of the buttons, which is good. You can even just pull it up a little bit, or put it on after you start recording. But, it definitely looks like it will help with the wind noise. We can do a couple tests later.